Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how we can disable network level authentication. We called NLA. So how we can disable NLA from the Azure portal. We'll use Azure Run Command to disable the NLA. Why and when we need to disable the NLA? Network level authentication, everyone knows that network level authentication enhance our RDP security. Okay, it will first it will authenticate before establishing the session to the VM. So let's say you are trying to log in the Azure VM and it is throwing NLA error. What you can do, you can disable the network level authentication and then you can try to log in. So in this video we will see how we can quickly disable the network level authentication with the help of Azure Run Command. So let's get started. This is my Azure portal. First we are going to go to the Azure virtual machine. First I will show you the network level authentication option inside the VM, and then we'll execute the command, a PowerShell script from the run command, and then we'll see how it can change the setting. So first let me log in the Azure virtual machine. We are in Azure virtual machine right now. So let's click on the let's go to the we will see where how that settings looks like. Let's go to the properties now. Under the properties, see there, this is the options called advanced system setting. Click on advanced system setting and now click on remote. So if you can see here, we have a allow remote connection to this computer. So if you can see, allow connection only from computer running remote desktop with network level authentication. So this is a setting which will help to use the NLA, network level authentication. So let's quickly go back to the Azure virtual machine and we'll see how we can disable the NLA. This option, how we can disable from the portal. So for that, we have to go to the run command. Under the operations, just click on run command. Under the run command, we have a multiple options, like you can run the PowerShell script. Let's say if you already have that PowerShell script which will help you to disable the NLA, you just come here and simply run that script. It will disable the NLA, and we already have a predefined script from the from the portal itself. Just click on disable NLA option. So once you click here, so if you can see this, this is also one of the script. Okay, if you click here script, you will see this is the script which we are going to execute on Azure virtual machine. So what it is going to do, so if you can see, it is going to update the registry value for your Azure virtual machine, right? So it is going to set value 0, so it means it is going to disable. So let's quickly run this script. Yeah, so if you can see now script execution is completed. So configuring registry to disable the network level authentication, we have to restart the VM for the change to take effect. Okay, so let's quickly go to the VM and we'll see whether that option is disabled or not. So let me cancel again this one. Let's again quickly click on advanced system setting, go to the remote, and now if you can see, earlier this checkbox was uh, enable, and now it is already that this is unchecked. So this is the this script from the portal, it disable the network level authentication. Okay, let's say if you want to revert the changes, what you will do, simple, you just copy this script, close this window, go to the run command and just paste this script NLA. But now let's say if you want to revert the changes, right, so you have to make the changes like 1, you have to make the value 1 and then you have to run the script. Yep. Let's quickly go back to the VM once again. Just close this, open advanced system again, and here again, it's all the changes has been reverted. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.